Hey guys, we received this MO Mass Line Journal notebook for test and try. As you can see, it's black color, 160 pages, medium 5.7 inches by 8 inches, 100 GSM thick paper and a hard cover. So let me just open this up. So here you can see a nice feel of the cover and really nice thick 100 GSM papers with the lined college ruled. So it's nice to write. So this is around 8.27 by 5.71 and thickness is around 0.59 inches. So good quality paper, I can feel the smoothness, and this also have this small pouch on the back to store some of your cards or the papers. So very nice quality paper and the notebook and have this band as well to store so accidentally it will not open up, and a nice 160 pages or the you can choose like 80 sheets or 160 pages. So it's a nice product